Hello students, welcome to VZ. VZ Easy presents NCERT Solution for class 12th, and today we'll be discussing chapter number 9. Chapter 9 is Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. Okay students, so in this session we are going to do two things. One, we're going to discuss how you're supposed to write an answer, and two, an explanation of a specific answer. Okay students, so let's start with question number 1. Question 1 over here says, explain in brief the role of animal husbandry in human welfare. Okay, so we are supposed to keep in mind the points that how animal husbandry is useful to human welfare. So start writing the answer like, animal husbandry deals with the feeding, breeding and raising animals, livestock whose primary purpose is to provide meat and milk. So primary purpose of animal husbandry is what? To provide meat and milk. And to provide meat and milk, what do we need? We need to feed, we need to breed, and we need to raise animal properly. Now, it also includes poultry farming and fisheries. Poultry means birds like chicken, and fisheries have various and varied type of fishes. So, since long times, animals have been used by humans for getting products like milk, eggs, meat, wool, silk, honey, etc. We get animal protein from milk, meat and eggs. Fishes also constitute cheap source of an animal protein, and other useful products like wool, honey, wax, etc. are also obtained from animal. Okay, so in this point, what all things do we obtain from animal? We obtain all the dairy products, then we obtain wool by the fur of sheep, and meat and eggs. So here, this is your answer students. So just keep in mind what you need or what do we obtain from animals. So that is your question number 1 done.